Welcome everyone. Today it's going to be a special day because we're going live. We are having more than 100 people listening to me for the masterclass. I'm going to talk about my journey in trading, what I've learned, what I've done, and why I'm doing the things that I'm doing right now, and giving some exclusive tips for people that are interested in trading. I'm going to try to have fun, and we're going to do this. So have fun. It's interesting that so many people are like connecting the dots from back in the day. It's cool. People are coming from everywhere in the country to listen to my masterclass. So I hope I'm going to do it the right way. Final preparations. Going to chill for a bit, and then the show goes on. The last time that I was doing a presentation was at my uni, at a real estate company, somewhere here actually. We are at the Amsterdam Zuidas, by the way. I fainted during the presentation, so I keep on being very nervous when I go on a stage like this.
Dutch OKX, we opened this office here, and we are very excited to have you all here. Today will be a interesting day because we're going to have a masterclass from our partner Michael van der Poppen. It's we are together in a very close collaboration, and we are seeing if we can make crypto more accessible for everybody in the Netherlands, and also drive education within the whole of Europe. Without further ado, I'll give the stage to you, Michael, and thank you so much.
Thank you very much for coming. Sometimes, actually, we have the entire team here, or part of our team. We check our YouTube analytics, and it's saying 95% male. Well, if I look at the audience, that's actually completely right. So YouTube is correct. That's great. But no, thank you very much for being here. First, a little background of who I am, how I got into crypto, why I'm interested in all the companies that we've built. And it basically started in February 2017, which now feels like a lot of years ago. It feels like I really want to go back in time with all the info I have right now and do the trading completely different. But I was always interested into trading, and as a little kid, my mom still has those. As a 4-year-old, I've been watching RTLZ, writing down the daily numbers of all the stocks and seeing that there's a lot of change between all of those. Purchased, it's Digibyte, still exists. I did it, somewhere on the left side, and then it went almost bananas. I didn't sell, and it came down. First real lesson. So, social media, my first company. I started social media in October 2017. It's called Crypto Mitchanel, as creativity is not really mine. So Crypto Michael was taken. And then we have Optimism, which came down 72%. Essentially, what I try to do on a lower time frame is that if the volatility is more than the average, and the heavier it goes down or the heavier it goes up, the more I'm willing to long or short at that point in time. After the break, we're going to talk a little bit more about trading strategies in general. Then the AMA is, and that's probably where the fun really is. So yeah, I'm going to talk a little bit more about what we do on a daily basis. Answer the questions, see what the audience brings. And have some fresh air in between. Thank you, class. First question, what helped you the most during the start of trading? Yeah, it's kind of cliche, but basically going, well, not bankrupt, but get liquidated. That's by far the best therapy. If something goes right, it's great. If something goes wrong, and the heavier it goes wrong, the better it is for you. As I said just out there, during 2021, I reached my complete peak. I had a company, social media presence, and actually went on TV, and my portfolio hit 10 million. Within 1 year, without actual risk management, I nearly went bankrupt. So for the rest of my life, I will probably keep that, and that's keeping me motivated. But in a small way, that's also how you can improve your trading. If you keep on working and every time you get liquidated, you're like, well, it happens, and you go on, that's how you improve. So that's probably the way that I actually improve my own trading. Do you hold any micro cap altcoins and you hope to get a return just like for Rusty back in the day? Yes, we do. We have MN Capital, which is the venture capital. We have been investing into some projects that are still eager to provide a return for us, but they have a very strong thesis. That's what we believe. But yes, we are investing into micro caps because we think that there's still a lot of verticals that are going to explode. I think the growth on Deepin, for instance, is still extensive and is still accelerating. So that's why we have a lot of projects invested into Deepin, and those are usually beneath 50 million market cap. So yes, for me it's great to be with you all. I know that you guys are watching, and I highly appreciate that. It's not always as easy as it might look, but I'm very happy to be with you guys. We go to the reception. You can just approach me, ask me questions, and everything else. Again, thank you very much for being here. Applause for yourself, and on to the next.
Thank you so much, Michael, for giving this masterclass. I hope everybody learned something today.
I never imagined that people come from Germany to drive 4 hours to listen to me, or fly in from the UK to listen to me. I think today was a day that I have been working to for years. We have been trying to get this going. I think we need more of these type of events. I think it's great to see a lot of young guys coming in to show their interest, be active with their finance and their investing. So I don't have one word, but ultimately it's very valuable to give back and to just share my journey of being at the highs, at the lows, and what we're doing right now. Super tired, really want to sleep. But we need to trade, so got like 1 hour more of work to do.